Can you see my screen, guys? That's in the chat box. So I will continue after that. Okay. So we have to discuss today is the flex property. Okay. So I have to create a file in that in the public is that like a flex. Okay. In that is HTML. Okay. Next one is this is the display flex. Display flex. Okay, guys. So in that we have a div. Okay. In the div we have another div. Okay. In the first div, sorry, is image src. Okay, is picture like first picture is this one. In that I have given that like height is like 200 pixel. Okay, 200 pixel and width is also 200 pixel. Okay, guys. In that I have get four div new div in that main div is the main div. This class name is like container. Okay, in that I have changed the picture also. So we have this 11 is like this 10 and next one is like this 14. Okay, guys. So let's see. Right click on that and open live server. So we have like what are the display property that I will to define you at first like paint. Paint. Wait, it's not opening still. So in that we have, let's see, it's open now. It's the like Chrome. It's not Chrome. It's like Firefox. So okay, let's see. Let's define like this. Okay. So at first I will discuss what are the property are there in that. So we have the flex property. Flex. In the flex we have flex direction. Okay. In the flex direction property we have like column. Okay. It's like column reverse reverse. Okay, reverse means like opposite side. Okay, guys, it's come from opposite side. Okay, so next property is like content like flex. Let's flex something. Wait. In that we have written it's container. style is container contain yeah okay in the display flex the flex and we have like display like wait not display is the text direction okay text direction is like this column reverse row reverse. I will zoom that one first maybe not see okay it's like flex direction the flex direction property are there like column reverse and row reverse inheritance you know that already as the initial is know that inheritance means it like copy the property of the parent element initial means it's not copy any parent element it's like own property it apply own property of that okay so we have to apply like any one is column okay so is that like flex swap is there flex grow or flex string is there okay we have like what is that text content not content we have like text content text alignment no is align center align item yeah align item is there is the center flex end and flex start sketch sketch inheritance initial and z okay so at first we have to like define its like row okay let's see I have to mention that one in the below right in the below I have to like is like p is image one okay I have copy that and paste another one it's also and it one also okay this one is picture image 2 and this one is like image 3 and image 4 okay guys let's see okay it's now what is that it's a row when I write like row reverse it look opposite side row reverse it's starting from end let's see okay it's the image 1 image 2 image 4 3 image 4 when I write like column it's so is the top to top to bottom okay let's see that one also okay guys have you seen that one okay when I like reverse also it starting from bottom to left okay image 1 will be but starting from bottom to left okay so we have written that like row and in that I have written like direction text alignment content is not there okay text align is align item okay so in that I have a website is there so I will describe in that let's see okay let's see it's now in that we have flex property okay in that flex property we have like container item these are the item is there okay this full like here inside the three is there this is the item and it, whole is that like container okay So in the order we have flex item is the row and column. You already I will describe you in that coding part. Okay. So flex direction. Have you seen the column or row reverse, column reverse, or row column? Okay, it's flex row. Okay, means in that we have three same size boxes are there. Okay, but I want to increase gross one boxes in that, any first one, last one, or middle one. So I can do that by using that flex row. Okay, so we have flex swap is there. Okay, flex swap means if you want to start from new line, don't want to continue from the first line, you want to continue from the second line, so you can use flex swap. Okay, this next one is justify content. Yeah, I am searching that one, justify content. So is justify content, it's space between, space around, I will do that. Okay, let's say space around, it's space around. Every image have a space in around of that. Okay, around of every image. So I remove that one. So let's see what happened. Okay, it's overlap from one image to another image, one other image to another image, it's overlapping. Okay, so it's better to have give that justify content. Okay, so if I define any other one, space between or set evenly means same space I want to define in between that. Okay, let's see that one also. So it's between space between same space in that, left, right, or in the bottom also. Like see that this space, this space, this space we have. So same space, even space. Okay, space evenly, space between is there. Okay, in that we have space between. Let's see. According, wait, maybe it disconnected. Uh, guys, can you see my screen now? Let me in the chat box. Can you see my screen, guys? Anand, are you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So we have is the space between. Okay. So next one we have text start or flex end. So let's see that one also. It's starting from fast one. Okay, it's starting from fast. Fast start from fast. Okay, I want to start from end. Okay, let's see that one. You can use when you're designing any neighbor or any SI tag, you can use that. Okay, so it will be when it is responsive designing also, because we have to using any mobile device, designing from mobile device, any other, it will be synced according to your device width. Okay, so it's flex end. Have you see that one? It's starting from end. Okay, it's flex start. It's starting from is start. Okay, so in the space between, space evenly, space around is there. Okay, in the justify content is there. Okay, the justify content property. So we have another property is there. So in that we have align self. Okay, align self is that it's not not usable many times, but align item is most usable, because we have you want to an item, you want in the center, or flex start, flex end, you want to. Okay, is the best line is there. Okay, so you can do that. Is that text align item. Okay, like best line, center, flex end, flex start, stretch, inheritance, initial, onset is there. So you can use that according to your requirement. Okay, so next one we have other property as that align content. You already know that already. Flex start, flex end, center, streets, space between, space around. Okay, this one is the flex property. Okay guys, have you understand? So when you are designing any multiple device, for multiple device mobile or laptop, ipad, you designing, So you can use grid property and flex properties. So it will be according to your width, it will be a resize. Okay. So next we have to discuss like what are the position property we have we are there. Okay. So I hope you understand display flex property. Okay. If any doubt is there, you can ask me in chat box as well. Then unmute yourself, ask me any doubt. Okay, guys. So let me discuss what are the position properties there. In this we have I have written as like text content. Wait, is alliance. What are there? Line items justify content is there. Okay, line items and justify content. Okay. So next one we have any like verb. We are using any verb properties or no verb property. You can use that. Okay. So we have to discuss position. Okay. Position we have four or five properties: fixed or sticky or any absolute position and relative position. Okay. This position in that we have sticky. Okay. Next one is absolute, and next one is relative. Relative. Okay. Next one we have fixed. Okay, these are the property of that fixed foods attitude. Okay, so we have to designing according to that. So what is relative property? Relative property means it always depend upon the first one, means is the parent element, depending upon the parent element. Fixed means always fixed. At first I'm show you what are the sticky element are there. So let's start. We have at first we have designing d1. Okay, in that we have data list. Okay, designing data list. In that we have data turn. Okay, in that we have data definition. Okay, so I want to describe is that html element. Okay, so next one is what are the html element is image or uh, image forward image, and we have what are there, anchor. Okay, anchor element is that paragraph and h1. Okay, so next one we have strong. Okay, and we have mark. Okay, next one we have what are there, another property is like style. Okay, next one we have list. Okay, so copy that one and I'll paste. Okay, so next one I have designing another getty as data term. Okay, next one is css. Okay, in that we have to define what are the property of there, background color, background background color, its color. Okay, like color. Okay, color we have border. Okay, font style. Next one we have any font weight, font weight. Okay, so next one we have background image also there. Okay, we have to design in this one background image. So we have another one border radius. radius. Okay, so next one we have like any other board is there like padding. Okay, okay, I will copy that one. Not more than that. Is dt by is dt strong mark. Okay, that one. Okay, okay. So in that I have designing another one like javascript. Okay, in that we have dd is like document dot write. Okay, next one we have like any other console dot log, and next one we have like any is id property and id props. Okay, next one is like is classes. Okay, I will copy that one and paste it. Okay, so let's see that is the what are the designing of that the web page. Okay, it's look like. Okay, so in that I have to designing like dd sorry dt is that background color I have to show in that like any black color. Okay, color I want to define like white. Okay, so next one is like a display is like sticky. Sorry, not display is the position. Sorry, this position is sticky. Okay, okay. In that we have like margin 0, heading also 0. Okay, in the top 0 and like left is also 0. Okay, so let's see that. Okay, it's I will increase size of that height and width of that. So as the height of that is like 50 it's like 70 pixel. Okay guys, more than that. Okay, I'll find that one. I'll remove fading part. Okay, fading is like is 10 pixel. Okay, I'm designing that one is like height is 30 pixel. Okay, just 20. Okay, let's see. When I like scroll that one, it will be like sticky position. Okay, this one is goes also. Wait, is margin. Okay, it's 2em. Maybe work. In that we have space are there. I think no space. Okay, dt is there. In that we have JavaScript dt. Okay. Okay, next one we have trading. Trading like margin we have. Okay. Okay, great. Next we have margin uh 2 pixel or 10 pixel. 2 pixel as 0. Okay. Have you seen that HTML and CSS when it's like a scrolling object is there, it will be stick at the top position. Okay, any of that like in the header part we have to designing nav bar. You want to stick when the position like when the scroll when user or any like client you scroll that page, it will be like stick at the top position at the bottom position. Okay, you can do that by using like position of the stick. Okay, I hope you understand. Next we have to goes like what are the absolute position and relative and fixed position. You already know that the what are the fixed position, because when that in the background image we have discussed the fixed position. What are the fixed position means? It's content moving, but is a fix. It's not changeable. Like a position we cannot change. At we have to like define any fixed position. Position is fixed. We cannot do the position by like using the fixed position. Fixed position, you can move that one like any right or left, top, bottom. You can do that, and height and width we can increase that. But if you drag anyone in that one position to other position, you cannot do that. Okay, but you can also change the position, but it's fixed. When you scroll any scale, it's not changeable. Okay, so next one we have to discuss for the absolute position and relative position. Okay, so in that we have let's see, in that we have position. Okay, position. In the deep, I have to mention in that like is that the id equal to is what is the name of that, like I'll give you box of that. Okay, in the box I want to define another div like id sub box, s box. Okay, s box, I'll leave that. Okay, next one we have to designing like a style property. In that I will defining some content in that. So I have there like this is the parent element. Okay, element, and this one is the child element. This is the child element. Okay guys, so in that we have style. In the style I want to like designing first box is the background color. It's like any aqua color I have to give in that one. So next one we have color. It is like black. Okay, so next one we have like position. Okay, I will not give that one. Okay, like height like 200 pixel, and width is also like 200 pixel. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so in that I have designing is the margin 10 pixel. Okay, so next one we have another idea is there like xbox, s box. Okay, in that I have copied that one and paste it. It's the equal. I will change of the color of that is something pink. I will give that pink or any color. Okay, so in that we have, let's see. Okay, now I want to give that margin in that margin 10 pixel. Okay, have you seen that one? Okay, like as position you can define position absolute. Okay, or position like relative. Sometime like parent element, if you define any parent element or like relative or any other like child element, you have to define absolute. It will be not changing. It will be like taking the parent element. So when you applying any like parent element, so exactly you have to define child element. What are the like position property you want to define in the child property. So relative property means in that like according to the parent property you want to move the child. Absolute means not according to the child of parent element. You can like any property, any of that position, you can move that. but in that relative property, you when your like what is that parent properly move, it will be move according to that. Okay, so this one is relative and absolute difference of that. Relative means depend upon the parent element. Okay, absolute means it's not dependent upon the parent element. Okay guys, I hope you understand position property also. So next one we have to discuss like what are the CSS text style properties there. Okay, so next one, guys, are have you understand that both one text display text and next one is position. Let me in the chat box. So I'll move forward. Okay, sir, what is the difference between grid and flex? Okay, Shomya, is grid and flex what are the difference between? Like in the column, like in the grid, we have to defining column and row. Okay, but in the same column and row, you have to define also. But what is the difference between grid and flex? Flex is more responsive designing. Responsive designing, you can use flex. It will be more like responsive. Means if you want like use multiple device, you can use flex and grid. But in that is flex is better, I think. I think his flex is better because I have many time I'm using that responsive designing. I have using flex. Okay, so in the grid also there is column and row properties there. You already grid row grid column we have to discuss like yesterday, day before yesterday. Okay, so in that flex property we have flex. Okay, nothing is difference, but we are using Andhra is there any media query is there. You have to defining using media query or any flex property or any like grid property. You can designing responsive designing. Okay, but in that we are defining like is a row 1 row 2 row 3 in the grid, and flex we have not to defining any row 1 row 2 row 3 is also defining. If you want to designing a website, at first you have to display is column. At first you want to show in column, that is the container part. You want to give to that container is column. After that you want to divide it, each column is like a part, like a row part. Okay, so if example is it is div is the container. You are define a class name is container in that parent element. So in the child element I will give one is the one div is the child element. Okay, in that we are defining the parent element. I will already define that one flex, what is the flex direction is column. Okay, so it will be automatically default. Default not default, it's inheritance from the parent element. Means also it will be imagine that in that child property also using column property, column direction column. But you already mentioned in the child property row, it will be taking row. Okay, so difference is that what are the you are using any any requirement depend upon the requirement. What are the any website depending upon the website, you want to design a simple website or any complex website. According to that you have to choose that one. Like any media query is there, responsive designing. So most of the developer are using media query. So you can use anyone. Okay, Soumya, have you understand? So I okay. So next one we have what are the CSS style textile property are there. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so we have this color, text color, and font family. Okay, in that we have font size. The next one is font weight. Okay, color means you already know that is the color of the font. Font family means uh, uh, font. Which of the font you want to apply font family? It's designing designing of the font, any like text designing is the cursive or any Times New Roman or Arial you want to define, you can define. Okay, so font size means basically is the like size of the font is the 10 pixel, 20 pixel, according to your requirement you can give that. And font weight means, what is the font weight? Is lighter, it's bold. Okay, it's a font weight lighter, like a font will be show in the lighter or in the bold form, it will be show font width. Okay, font style means underline is like wavy or any dotted line you want to define or double line you want to define, it will be so. Okay, text transformation, text transform, text transform means you want to you want to designing a in the paragraph you want to display one word in uppercase letter. So in that you are using text transfer to like convert from the lowercase to uppercase or capitalized letter. Like capitalizing means you want to do one word at first letter you want to like designing is uppercase, and after that rest of all you want to show in the lowercase, so you can designing according to that. Okay, I will show you. So next one we have text decoration. Text decoration, text decoration means like bold or like underline you want to non any other you can do, I will see you. Okay, see that one also. Text shadow. So text shadow means like in the background or in foreground is like content is there, it is the shadow of that content, it will you can show that one also. Or next one is text align. You already know that what is the text align, it's center, justify, left, right. Okay, so next one we have line height. Line height means like between the each like sentence is there means line of first line, second line, in the in between that what is the height of that. Okay, we have to designing that one also. Last one is like letter spacing. Letter spacing, already you already know that for the letter spacing means in between the letter I want to define a space. Okay, word spacing also the between the word I want to define a space. Okay, next one we have like font variant. You want to show in that also the like what another is there text indent, like you want to start from the middle point of the any paragraph you want to start from the middle, so you can use like, according to your which you want to start from that paragraph you can define by using a text indent. Okay, so next one is like text overflow. Overflow. Okay, next one we have like text decoration. Text decoration you already defined that one. Text orientation. Most okay, orientation. Okay. Next one is writing writing mode, I think writing mode. And next one is like word break. Okay, break. So these are the property you want to show in there. Okay, so let's see. I have to like a paragraph. Okay, font style. Font style, I want to define a paragraph in that, and I'm designing copies some content from the notepad at first. Okay, so let's check that and in the head we have to define style. In that we have paragraph text, we have color. Okay, text color is like okay, let's see. Working. Okay, I will give you like black, it's working also. Okay, so the next one is font family. Font family. Okay, font family is Times New Roman, any Arial I will give you. Like let's see. Okay, it's changing now. I want to show in the cursive. It's already okay. I want to display in the Times New Roman. You can do that also. Okay. Next one we have font style size. Sorry, font size is like larger, medium, smaller, extra, extra large, and extra small, and extra or extra large. You can do that also. Okay. You can do that as much you can, and you can define any value like 20 pixel, 30 pixel, or 1 em, 2 em, 3 em. You can do that. Okay, we'll give you 3 em. Let's see, have you seen that one? Is that 3 em? Okay, so I will give that one 1 em. Okay, let's see. Okay, this one is 1 em. Next one we have font weight. Okay, font weight. Font weight. Yeah, like lighter, bolder, bold. I will give you bold. Let's see, it's bolding, bold. Okay, lighter, light, like this. Okay, changing now according to your convenience. You can do that. Is the 100 or 200 like lighter. Okay, you can do that also. And next one we have, I give that lighter. Okay, so next one we have font style. Okay, font style. Next one is font style is italic. Okay, italic. It's changing now. Next one we have normal, oblique, inheritance. Okay, it's oblique. Okay. So next one we have text transfer. Text transfer is like capitalized. Let's see. Each word is like a capital letter. Each word first letter is capitalized. It's capitalized. Okay. So I want to define uppercase. It's uppercase now. Okay. It's lowercase. It's now lowercase. You want to show anyone is like often I want to show something in that span. I want to show. Okay, so span I want to designing something. Text transfer is like uppercase. Okay, it's now often is okay. Now you want to give that one like font weight is bolder or bold, anyone. Okay, so next one we have text shadow. I want to describe some text shadow. Text shadow is like 2 pixel, 3 pixel. Uh, which color I want to show? Gray. Okay, green one. It's green. Okay, it's so like something. The background. Okay, I want to change something like is 2 pixel, 3 pixel, 5 pixel. Anyone you can do that. Okay, and change in that I have to. You can define minus type one. Okay, in that the text shadow. Okay, so I want to define that one. It's 1 pixel, 2 pixel, 1 pixel, 2 pixel. Okay, its color I have changing that one. Okay, it's not quite something is better. Okay, so next one we have letter spacing, line height. I have to show you. What is line height? Line height. Line height. I will give you like 20 pixel or 50 pixel. I can do that. It's line height. It's increasing now. Okay, it's 50. In between the every like line, its space of that in between that it will increase according to your like pixel value. Okay, at 60 pixel. Okay, next one we have letter spacing. Letter spacing I want to 10 pixel. It's letter spacing. Okay, I want to define some word spacing in that. Word verb, not word verb. Wait, word spacing. Word spacing is like 20 pixel. Okay, let's see. Okay, this one is like in between the every letter, there's letter spacing, or in between the like two word, it is the word spacing. Okay. Okay, next one we have to define what are the font variants. Font variants: normal, small cap, inheritance. Okay, it's normal, and you can define that one. So next one we have text indent. I want to, at first I'm remove that one, letter spacing and line height, line height also, so it will look better. uh, Text indent. Okay, text indent I will show you like 50 pixel. Let's see, starting from that one I want to change of the like d. It's d now, depend. Okay, it's d. Okay, I understand why it's not capital D, because already we have mentioned the text transform is lowercase, that's why it's not so funny. Okay. Okay, I want to show that something is the text indent. I want to increase some pixel. It's like 90 pixel. Okay. Okay, let's start from that one. I want to like 2500 pixel. It's so in the middle. Okay, according to your convenience you can do that. Okay. Next one we have text overflow. So what is text overflow? I will show you. At first I will font, like what is font, is border. Okay, border we have 2 pixel, solid gray. Okay, in that I want to show is height like 50 pixel or 100 pixel, and width is also 100 pixel. Okay guys, so in that text is overflow. Okay, I don't want to overflow that text in between. I want in that border, inside it I want to show it. Okay, so in that I want to use overflow hidden. It's hidden now. Okay, but it's not showing because it's all that hidden. Okay, and next one we have like overflowing, that I want to scroll. In the scroll I want to show that one, so I will increase the height of that. It's so better. Its height is like 500 pixel and 200 pixel. Okay, it's moving now. Okay, it's the scroll, overflow scroll. Okay, you can do that. And next one we have like writing mode. I want to show on the paragraph is h1. In that is writing mode. writing Writing mode. Okay, in that we have to, h1 is writing mode. Writing mode. Okay, in the writing mode I want to display in that horizontally. Okay, horizontal. Let's see, it's showing horizontally. I want to show in that like in vertically. I want to do that also vertically. Vertically, left right. Okay, it's showing vertically. Okay, you can change it's like right left vertically. Okay, it's writing mode. Okay, next one we have word break is there. Okay, I want to, at first I remove that one. Okay, next we are to a word break. Michael, if you see observe that one, I will zoom at first. Okay, in that like every word in the s starting from, like it's breaking the word. Then the line is end, it's breaking the word. Is S software means it will be break like it's not adjusted in that last, so it's breakable. So I don't want to break that word. So in that I word break I want to return keep or. So now it's so okay software. Okay, it's breaker, it's breaking the word. Okay guys, so these are the textile property. Okay, have you understand? Other one is there like what are there? Text overflow indent already done, and text align is already done. Yeah, text align, text align center. You already know that. Also, I will show you it. Center, left, right, center, no, left, right. You can do that. Okay. Next one we have like uh, text decoration. Text decoration dotted dash dotted. In that, I want to like text decoration dash decoration color like blue. I want to show in blue. It's not showing why. Dash okay, baby. Okay. Another property is there like text decoration line style. Yeah, dotted dash. Can't remove that one. It's not working still. Okay. So text decoration line is underline. Okay, it's working now. I want to it's wavy. It's wavy now. Okay. And another property is the style is not like then double. Let's see, it's double line. Okay, and other is like solid. You know that already. Wavy you already see that one. Dotted, double, dash, and already know that. Okay, is that text decoration. Okay, we are completing all the text CSS text styling property. Okay, so next one we have like column. In the tomorrow session I will show you how can you like divide one paragraph like in paper in newspaper. You have to you can see you already maybe see that one like each paragraph the paragraph divided into two or three uh, column. Okay, so how can you do that I will show you in the next. And what is the 3D animation and 2D animation we have to discuss. And other one is like media query we are discuss. Okay, so next our css will be completed css part. Next we have to in that like 28 it's not now 28 30 or is the 1 July we have started the javascript. Okay, so I hope you understand all that like css text styling or display flex position property. Any doubt guys? Okay, what about other? Yeah, here like 30 or 14 people are there. Okay, but still one, two, three, four people will be answer or four, five. Other one are we in the meeting or outside the meeting? Okay, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Okay, seven. Other What about other? Is the inside the meeting or outside the meeting? Okay, maybe the outside of the meeting. Shruti ma'am?
Yes,
Hello
sir.
Shruti ma'am, are you here?
Hi.
Hello ma'am.
Hello, sir.
हाँ मैम एक्चुअली आपने अटेंडेंस ले ली क्या?
Yes, sir. ले लिया.
ओके ओके ठीक है, थैंक यू मैम. थैंक यू गाइस, हैव अ गुड डे, बाय.
Thank you. Thank you all.